Okay, so we're going to work another problem. And let's go ahead and look at number 4 because it's got that little STP thing in there and liters. So we'll work through this one together. So we're going to try to convert 40 grams of neon gas at STP into liters. So again, we're going to start it the same way though. You just need to identify, what do you know about the problem? Well, my known is that they gave me 40 grams of neon. So I'm going to go ahead and label that 40 grams of neon. And I just like to make mine look like a fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and put that over 1. And it doesn't have a unit on the bottom. It's just 40 grams, right? So there's no like grams per liter or anything. It's just 40 grams. So over 1 times, I need a conversion factor, okay? Well, remember, when you're trying to convert units, I'm trying to go from grams to liters. So I know I want to get rid of grams. So I know grams is going to have to be on the bottom of this conversion factor. And the unit I'm trying to get to is going to be liters, right? So I want to get to liters. So let's see, is there a conversion factor up here that has both grams and liters? Well, here's grams, and that's equivalent to a mole. But here's liters, and that's equivalent to a mole. So they're not like in the same conversion factor, but could they be? And the answer is yes. If both of these are equivalent to a mole anyway, it would make sense that they're both equivalent values to each other. So the molar mass of neon in grams is equivalent to 22.4 liters. So all I'm going to go do is find the molar mass. And remember, the molar mass is what's on the periodic table. So you'll need your periodic table handy. You look for neon. Neon's molar mass, it says 20.18 grams. So its molar mass is 20.18 grams. And if you have that, that means it's equivalent to, at STP, it would take up 22.4 liters of space. So I'm just going to use that number right there. All right. So here's my conversion factor I'm going to use to convert this. All right. So now I'm just going to multiply all the numbers on the top, which was 40 times 22.4. 40 times 22.4, and I got 896. That goes on top, divided by, you multiply everything on the bottom. So 1 times 20.8, so just 20.18, sorry. So then I'm just going to divide 896 divided by 20.18, and I end up with 44.400396. Well, how do I know how to cut it off? Well, see how this number has 3 significant digits in it? I want to make sure my answer has 3 significant digits. So I'm going to use 44.4 as my numerical answer, but you can't forget your units. Well, what unit is it? Grams cancels out. So what you're left with then is what you need, liters. So my answer would be, if I had that much neon, 40 grams of neon, it would take up 44.4 liters of space. Okay, and that's how you do that using dimensional analysis.